How do I contact Milestone Credit Card? Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can contact to Milestone Credit Card support. So let's get started with the video. Firstly, open up any of your web browsers. Then in the search bar, search for Milestone Contact Us. Now tap on the first link, which is Milestone Systems. As you do so, you will land to this page. Under Get in Touch, you will see various options. Now choose the one you are looking forward to. For now, I am tapping on Contact Sales. Here you have to enter your personal information, such as your first name, last name, job title, work email, your phone number, your company name, and all of these details. Also here you have to enter your description of the problem. As you do so, agree on the terms and conditions and tap on to submit. After some time, the Milestone Credit Card support will contact you via email or call regarding your queries or problems, and that is how you can do this. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.